Check it out. We got the Lewisport open ear Bluetooth headphones, wireless earbuds. I'm an older guy and I've never had a set of these. This is pretty exciting. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but opinions are my own. Let's open this up and take a look and see what we got. This is a pretty nice, sturdy box that this comes in. Let's open that up. That's a nice box. All right, so here we have the case. We have a set of instructions. And we have a USB Type-C charging cable, which doesn't look very long at all. That's okay. Nowadays, we all have about 20 of these hanging around. So yeah, this thing's only about a foot long. All right, so these come from the factory, already charged up. You can see you just plug it into the holding case and they charge inside of there. So when you open this up, you can see what kind of charge you have on either side, on either of the earbuds. And when you take these guys out, they automatically pair up to each other. You can see the lights flashing on there for a couple seconds. They pair up within 5 seconds, pair to each other. You go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and you find Q10 on there, and you hit Q10 and pair up, and you're done. These things come out of the case looking for something to pair to, and you just pair them up to your phone. And there are actually instructions in here that if you wanted to use one of these, you can pair it up to one device. You can use one device on there too, so that's kind of cool. According to the instructions, you should charge it up to 100% if you use it the first time out of the factory, or if you use it for an hour, charge it back up to 100%. These guys have a listening time of 10 hours and a charging time of 2 hours. That's kind of cool. All right, so I just came outside and paired these up to a different phone, and just to show you, they just kind of slide right on just like that. They sit in the top of your ear just like that. So I've got this whole bottom side of my ear to hear everything that's going on, and they fit great. They're not falling out for nothing. Great for jogging, great for working out, great for taking a walk with your dog, like Rigatoni. Where you at, buddy? And pretty awesome, lightweight. They feel all right. I'm digging them. So anyway, check them out, see what you think.